Hi, I'm Nicole Shivers and welcome to this week's Buzz. Today we're going to talk about NAR's mandatory clear cooperation policy and what it means for you and your listings. Let's take a look. The rule states that within 1 business day of marketing a property to the public, the listing broker must submit the listing to the MLS for cooperation with other MLS participants. Public marketing includes but is not limited to flyers displayed in windows, yard signs, digital marketing on public-facing websites, brokerage website displays including IDX and VOWs, digital communications marketing, email blasts, multi-brokerage listing sharing networks, and applications available to the general public. The public would include anyone outside the brokers and agents licensed within a single brokerage and their clients. What do you do if you're eager to generate a buzz for your client's home but aren't quite ready to make the property available to show? You can put the listing on the MLS in a coming soon status. Coming soon listings do not get syndicated to public websites. They stay within the MLS and buyer agents can email them to their clients. These listings can remain on the MLS in a coming soon status for up to 30 days and will allow you to begin marketing without violating the clear cooperation policy. It's important to remember listing a property as coming soon on third-party sites, social media, or even a sign in front of the home does not make you compliant with NAR's clear cooperation policy. The MLS is the required platform for the listing to appear as coming soon to avoid violating this rule. For more information regarding NAR's clear cooperation rule and frequently asked questions regarding coming soon listings, please visit the Rules and Forms section under the MLS tab on our website at www.bayeast.org. You can also contact our compliance department directly at 925-730-4060. As always, thanks for watching.